is getting a bunch of work on the front end.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
I have a 2010 Toyota Tacoma. This one is getting a bunch of work on the front end. First, the main thing is I'm putting a radiator support in it. Got my new one right here. And then it gets a new hood and new fender. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this one all cut apart, get this radiator support cut out, and I gotta do a little repair on the apron in here. And then I'll start fitting the new support up. Alright, I got this one all measured out. Everything fits up good. I'm going to go ahead and do my welding on it. I have some of it I'm going to use a spot welder on where I can get to both sides, and then some of it I have to MIG weld. So I'm going to dive into that now and get this one welded up.